What's up everybody, welcome back. I'm Burn and Crash. Let's have some fun.
Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making grilled bean burritos. Let's get right into it, guys. So the first thing that we're going to do is, in a pan we're going to take some tomatoes and start roasting them. I'm going to take half an onion and some garlic. I've kept the heat at medium-low and I'm going to let it roast for a bit. Our tomatoes are going to slowly start roasting up and they're going to start looking like this. We're going to keep turning them and keep roasting them. We just want to make sure our tomatoes don't stick to the pan. We're going to keep roasting the tomatoes till they get a beautiful charred flavor on them. Our onions and garlics are roasted. We'll take them out and let the tomatoes roast for a bit more. As you can see, our tomatoes are getting pretty soft. They're almost there. Once our tomatoes look done, we are going to take them out and add them to a blender. We're going to add the onions and garlic in as well. Add some salt, crushed black pepper. We're going to let the mixture cool down before we blend it. Let's get started on the vegetables for our burrito. Let's take some oil in a pan. Oil is heating up. Let's add capsicum. We've cut the capsicum a bit long so it gives a little texture. Cook the bell peppers or capsicum for a minute and then we will add our next ingredient. After about a minute, add the carrots. Once we have added both the vegetables, we're going to add a little bit of the salt and cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes till the vegetables get cooked. Once our vegetables are a little cooked, we are going to add some taco seasoning. We're going to cook our vegetables with the seasoning for about 30 seconds and then keep it aside for later. For our refried beans, we'll take some butter in a pan with a little bit of oil. We'll take some onions in the butter and we're going to cook the onions till they're golden brown on a medium flame. Once the onions start to get brown, we're going to add some bell peppers to it. You can add jalapeno peppers if you have them. I'm using bell peppers for now. You can use thinly sliced or chopped bell peppers. And we're going to be cooking this at a medium flame for a long time. The trick to refried beans is not that they are fried multiple times or they are cooked multiple times. It's that they are cooked for a long time at a low flame. Once it looks pretty cooked, we're going to start adding the beans. Now these are boiled beans. We are going to strain them and add them to the pan. Make sure you don't throw away the water. We're going to use the water later after we've added all the beans into the pan. After adding our beans to the pan, we are going to crush them. You can either use the back of your spoon like this, or you can use a potato masher or something that looks like this to mash the beans. I'm not going to mash it too much right now, just a little bit to get us started. Once we've crushed our beans halfway through, we're going to add the water because these beans are going to absorb all this water, and keep crushing them even more. Add the water a little bit and keep going. All the while our gas is at medium low.
I forgot to show it on camera, but we also add salt, black pepper and red chili pepper in our refried beans.
Now it becomes a very repetitive process. Keep adding the water. And keep crushing the beans. Slowly, we're going to keep cooking it and adding more water again and again. Our refried beans are almost at the texture that we want. We've kept adding the liquid and kept crushing them. They are almost there. We're just going to heat it up so that the liquid is a bit dried up. Our refried beans are ready. Alright, our tomatoes and onions have cooled down a bit. Time to blend it. We're going to blend it into a fine paste. Once we have a fine paste, we're going to add fresh tomatoes and onions, fresh lemon, a lot of lemon, some more, and some more. Add some more salt, some more pepper, blend again. Now this time we are not going to blend it completely, just a little bit so that our texture is coarse, and we are ready. Now let's take a pan with some oil. We'll add our salsa to it.
We're going to cook it on a medium flame for about 5 minutes, and we're going to add a little bit of vinegar at this point.
At the end we are adding 2 roasted peppers and a little bit of red chili pepper to get the perfect color, and our sauce is ready. Now for our assembly, in the burrito we'll take the refried beans. I'm leaving some space from the edges here and here so that we're able to fold it in. Add the vegetables. Then we add a little bit of the salsa that we just made. Next step is optional. You can add cheese if you like. I'm going to. Now let's fold the burrito. You'll notice that we have kept the filling to one side. We fold it like this. Then fold from both the sides and roll it, so that we have some extra to cover it up. Add a little bit of oil to our heated pan, not too much, and we add our burrito. With the open side down, we are going to press the burrito a little, not too much, just we want the filling to spread out and evenly cook. We have flipped our burrito. We're letting it cook. Remember that we are cooking now at a high flame because all the filling in our burrito is already cooked. We are just giving it a crispy texture.
Our bean burritos are ready. You can serve these bean burritos with the cooked salsa that we just made and enjoy. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Come back again soon. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.